All right, I just launched from that boat ramp right there. First time I've used the camera. Let's see if I can catch some fish here at Folsom Lake. Last time I was out here, I fished for trout and salmon. I went up into the main body. I'm going that way this time, up to Northport. But last time I was skunked until about 1 o'clock or so. I started fishing around the rocks, using the same lures, and caught a bunch of bass. It was awesome, and they were really nice, and they were actually good eating. So 5 altogether. I let 1 go, and the last one was the biggest one. That was over there, or right there around that point right there. The water's a lot higher now than it was then, though, so it's a lot different. But I think that's really good. So, a little windy. So far, I don't see any fish, and I'm about 37 feet. But anyway, check back with you later.